Yeah. What's good, YouTube? Hold on, give me 1 second. Shh. I have too many shoes. I need to find places to hide them in. This is my baby's dresser drawer, so actually, Jordan Jumpman Team 1 White French Blue Flint Gray. Seems like this year is all about the flints. We're gonna do a quick sneaker review. White sexy tissue paper. If you guys are not familiar with these actually came out, I think mid-90s, and they're technically the takedown models of the more expensive Jordan. Aside from the materials being cheaper, this still features pretty good tech. The retros and the older retros and the OGs, they have forefoot and heel zoom air unit. Look at that air squishy bubble. Look at that. Look at this, just like the Air Jordan 13, it has that Panther cat eye hologram around here. Man, these are really beautiful shoes. I'm kind of disappointed because the leather, I think they were never real leather. It's kind of like fake plastic, but you know what? This is okay. Squish. Oh, sorry guys, it kind of feels like the old school Reebok pumps. Oh man, it's like pumping for more zoom air. But here's a quick 360 for you guys. Oh my god, this color is very clean. There's the bottom, classic herringbone effective traction for you guys. Very simple. You don't need anything fancy. The only thing that they don't have is carbon fiber right here on the midfoot for anti-torsion and support. There's the tongue, there's the team branding. Cool little baby Jumpman logo detail right there. There's the inside tag. Not too bad. Wait, oh, hold on. Weird. It doesn't smell like glue. It doesn't smell like very Chinese chemicals. It smells like a normal new shoe. Padding is okay. I think the originals, if I remember correctly, they're a lot better. The older retros, they definitely look a lot better. This just looks kind of weird. I don't know, for some reason, this retro looks very bulky, but that's how 90s basketball shoes used to look like. They're very bulky. Yeah, the midsole is squishy. I think it's still Phylon. Sorry, I don't know why I'm squishing everything. Ooh, inside's pretty exciting. White insole with the Jumpman logo. No, jokes. That was actually not exciting at all. Who used to wear these shoes? Oh, and a bunch of other players I can't remember. But yeah, these are going straight to feet. At the end of this video, I'm gonna give you a high definition close-up shot with some free YouTube music. I can't remember correctly, but I may have owned the older pairs before, but I definitely used to wear the Jumpman Pro Strong. Those are actually cool. And by the way, it actually retro 2021 this year. These are still comfortable shoes. I'm a size 11.5 and a 12, but I went with the size 12. But yeah, Jumpman Pro Strong, they actually use real genuine leather. It's disappointing that this original model never used real leather, but it's okay. I understand it. It's supposed to be a cheaper version for cheap people like me and you, YouTube. Shh, I need to go. Forget the high definition video portion for you guys. I gotta run. I gotta hide my shoes. Too many shoes. I'm gonna copy Chris from Wear Testers. Hey. Okay, that's stinky. This last bit of this segment, whatever, for this entire review video, it was not originally planned. I just did this today. I decided to throw it in because I actually wore this yesterday outdoors for about 2 to 3 hours. Pick up basketball, half court only. I'm Asian, I'm injured, I can't run right now. Wow, like I just want to give you guys like a quick look and my honest opinion, my first thoughts, just to see like, hey, do these shoes hold up for basketball? Like, are they still good? They're bulky as heck. Like, how do they perform? Well, I'm gonna give you a quick 360 now. This is how it looks like after 2 to 3 hours of me just beating the shoes up. They're holding up. Check out the outsole. There's maybe a little bit of kind of rubber that chipped off. Not a big deal. This is the other side. There's no glue peeling off. Everything is still holding up. The shoelaces, you know, they haven't ripped, thank God. The outsole is not like it's falling apart. The bubbles, that's the most important thing. My air bubbles are still there. They have not popped. I think that these shoes, for the first time wearing them outside at least, they're good. I didn't have any pain. The arch area, like even though I didn't even break them in, I didn't have any kind of like blisters. Cushioning wise is perfect because outdoors, I think this is like, holy moly, it's very, very thick. If you want a low profile kind of feel like me, unfortunately this shoe is not gonna provide that. But you know what, I'm not gonna complain just because yes, they do have Zoom Air in there. Okay, they are a little bit higher off the ground, but for outdoors, I need that extra layer of protection for shock absorption. I don't want to hurt my ankles, my bones, everything. I even have space to put my ankle freaking braces. That's perfect because there's a lot of room in there. I was not able to lace to the top right there, the loop, just because, you know, it's like, you don't want to play basketball like this? No. I had to move down. That was perfect. I was still able to double knot it to secure the laces. Now this side, you know, that's normal. I tend to pivot a lot. Now if you compare my left foot and my right foot, see? It's a lot dirtier on the left foot. I tend to... I don't even know what I'm doing. My left foot pivot, you know, I tend to jab with my right foot a lot more. So that's why this is gonna wear down a lot versus the other side. But you know what? This is actually not bad. I'm surprised. Oh no, there's wrinkles and crinkles. Guys, come on. If you guys are curious, yes, I wear the McDavid's ankle braces. I think this is level 2 or level 3 protection. Yeah, like these are actually really good. I don't know why I'm talking about ankle braces right now, but if you are very, very paranoid about like, hey, I need ankle braces to protect my ankles. I don't want to sprain my ankles. I'm worried. I go to the office to work. I sit on a chair, but I'm still worried about my ankles spraining. Get the McDavid's. The cool thing about this is it's thin. They have a U-shaped metal right there for that protection. I got a bunch of friends that actually wear these and they like it. I got a couple friends that try these on and they don't actually like it because it's just too tight. They don't have enough foot kind of flexibility, movement. But for me, this is perfect. Traction, I didn't experience any kind of loss of grip. If you can still find this particular model, get them on sale. If you're rich, get them full price. These are good if you like old school 90s. Okay guys, I got a great idea. Let's wrap this video up. This video, let's just rename it to Jordan Team 1 First Impressions. And the second video, I want to do a in-depth review of this. Third video, let's plan it out. Let's do an actual performance review. Fourth one, let's just do like after 1 month of wearing this, all right? And then do another video after that. Say, I don't know, after 6 months and then after 1 year of wearing these shoes. I want to milk this, you know, I want to know, huh? What's wrong? Why can't we just one video? That's it? But YouTube wants to see more videos of the same shoes. The other guys are doing it. They have so many videos about one shoe. I'm not giving you an attitude. What? Okay.